to add co-host on Zoom. So if you want to add co-host on your Zoom, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Zoom on your browser, or you can also go with the application. Once you open it up, now you need to just go with create a new meeting or just join a meeting. So once you click on join a meeting, then it will start a meeting. Once you're on your meeting, here on the bottom, you will have participants section, right? So you need to just go with the participants, click on it, and here on the right side, you will have the participants. So you just need simply select the person that you would like to add as a co-host. So select the person. Once you've selected, here on the right side, you will have more option on the person. You can just simply go and add that person as a host. You will have more, and then you will have an option to make co-host. So in this way, you'll be able to make someone or add someone a co-host on your Zoom. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.